Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pinnacle Study Group. In this video, I'm going to discuss anti-radiation missile Rudram 1. You can see the picture here of the Rudram 1, so let's talk about it. The DRDO, Defense Research and the Development Organization, this is a government organization, has a successfully flight tested indigenous developed. तो ये जो हमारी रुद्रम 1 मिसाइल है, this is indigenous and this is the anti-radiation missile. So what is anti-radiation missile? First of all, we talk about the aim. These are designed to detect, track, and neutralize the adversary radar, communication assets, and other radio frequency sources, which are generally part of their air defense system. This is the aim of the anti-radiation missile to detect, track, and neutralize the adversary radar, communication assets, and the other frequency sources. These can locate and target any radiation emitting source, and they can play a key role in neutralizing all jamming platform of the enemy. जितने भी एनिमी के द्वारा जो जैमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं उनको न्यूट्रलाइज करना और टेक आउट द रडार स्टेशन, देयर बाय क्लियरिंग अ पाथ फॉर देयर ऑन फाइटर्स टू कैरी आउट एन ऑफेंसिव एंड ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट ऑन सिस्टम फ्रॉम बीइंग jammed. Now the component of anti-radiation missile Rudram 1. First is inertial navigation system INS. This is a computerized mechanism that use change in the object on position. It is a coupled with the GPS, which is a satellite base. You know GPS का alternative हम हमारा Navic है, but Navic is not right now the fully operated, but GPS is a fully operated, is a American GPS. Second is the passive homing head for guidance. This is a system that can detect, classify, and engage targets, which is a radio frequency sources in this case, over a wide band of frequencies as programmed. The first component is inertial navigation system, and the second is passive homage head for the guidance. Now, what is exactly the Rudram 1? First of all, it is an air to the surface missile. Air to surface missile designed by the DRDO. Okay, तो DRDO मैंने भी बता दिया डिफेंस, ये this is an organization, this is the government organization, and DRDO conducted a successful flight of new generation anti-radiation missile, which is NG-RAM, and also called the Rudram 1 at the integrated test range in Balasore, Orissa. मोस्टली जो टेस्टिंग होती है वो बालासोर ओडिशा में ही होती है. एंड रुद्रम 1 इज़ द फर्स्ट इंडिजीनियस एंटी रेडिएशन मिसाइल ऑफ द कंट्री. ये हमारे भारत की पहली खुद की बनाई हुई एंटी रेडिएशन मिसाइल है. एंड इट इज़ वंस द मिसाइल लॉक ऑन द टारगेट, it is capable of striking accurately even if radiation source switches off in between. And right now we are going to discuss the operational features. The missile, which is integrated with the Sukhoi 30 MKI aircraft, and it has a capability of varying range between the launch condition. It can be adapted from launches from other fighter jet also. This is a air to surface missile, and it can be launched from the altitude of 500 meter to 15 kilometer and speed of 0.6 to 2 Mach. तो 500 मीटर से लेकर 15 किलोमीटर के एल्टीट्यूड से लॉन्च की जा सकती है और इसकी जो स्पीड होती है 0.6 से लेकर 2 मैक तक है. Here is the significance of the anti-radiation missile Rudram 1. Rudram has been developed for the Indian Air Force. Requirement to enhance the suppression of enemy air defense capability, and the further modern day warfare is more and more network centric. जितने भी आज warfare है वो network centric है, which means it comprises elaborate detection, surveillance, and the communication system that are integrated with the weapon system. And this is yet another test of an indigenous developed weapon system in addition to the recent test of the Shaurya missile. Okay, तो शौर्य मिसाइल जिसका दूसरा नाम है हाइपरसोनिक टेक्नोलॉजी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड व्हीकल, विच इज अनमैन्ड स्क्रैमजेट व्हीकल. ओके, तो व्हीकल्स के भी होते हैं, तो यहाँ पर जो है वो स्क्रैमजेट की बात की जा रही है. और द टेस्ट ऑफ फ्लाइट ऑफ द सुपरसोनिक मिसाइल असिस्टेड रिलीज ऑफ द टॉरपेडो सिस्टम. तो ये थी हमारी वीडियो एंटी रेडिएशन मिसाइल रुद्रम 1 पे, और जिसमें हमने की फैक्ट्स पढ़ लिए हैं। सबसे पहला तो इसका की फैक्ट है कि ये DRDO के द्वारा बनाई गई, दिस द फर्स्ट इंडिजीनियस एयर टू सरफेस मिसाइल, ओके, एंड it is an inertial navigation system and a passive homage heading for the guidance. Okay, so this is for today in this video. Thank you and take care.